Why?
Hey, be gentle. Come on.
I know.
Talk to the bird.
Hi, Chuck. No, don't. Ah!
What's he doing?
Show me.
All right, don't worry. Just don't drop her. She'll kill you. You'll hurt her.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Oh, hold her. Hold her with both
trying to.
hands.
I'm trying to.
Cup it. Put your hands between us so she can't get out. All right, that's good. Okay, holding it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, hold it there. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Yeah. Get on, get on, get.
Okay.
Okay. Got it good?
Yeah, hold on.
Hey, yo, man. How you doing, dude?
You're making a lot of noise now. Good? Smells terrible. Come on, have some more. Have some more.
Some more, you know? Have some more. Yeah.
Oh, you spilled some.
Just
Spilled some down your belly.
slobby. Don't be slobby today. We're taping you.
Slobbered. Yeah, come on, we're taking pictures. You want to look nice and neat.
Yeah,
Okay, ready?
you don't want to slobber all over yourself.
Now, come on. You full already?
Frank, you're our ass.
I think she's full. Bird, so we have pictures of you talking to the bird.
Okay. Hi, Chuck. I'm trying to get up.
Come close, over here.
Hi, Chuck.
Don't bite. See? Come over here. Come around this side. What are you playing with that
Who was it?
Hey!
Hi, Chucky boy. Hi, Chucky Mees.
Come over on this side.
Got your measles, boy.
Please come over here. See? Say hi. Don't bite. It's like I'm tormenting it. Okay? It's really hungry. Okay, you full? Hey, where you going?